Good morning, students. Class 4th. Next topic is reading and writing 6-digit number. So today we will discuss about the 6-digit number, writing these type numbers and reading of these type number. So the smallest 6-digit number is 1000000. How we will read out this number? So from right hand side, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000, and then this one is lakh. So at the place of lakh, the digit is 1, and all other places the digit is 0. So it is read out as 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So the number which are starts from the lakhs having the digits from right hand side, first how we will read out? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. If the digit at the place of ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 are 0 and at the place of lakh is 1, then it is read out as 1 lakh. So the number 1 lakh is having 5 digit as 0 and at the lakhs the digit is 1. So this is read out as 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. Now we will take some example. Let us suppose a number is given 253847. Then how we will read out this number? So from right hand side, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000 and this is lakh. So this number is 2,53,845.
$53,845.
So this one is the one number. Now next number again read out ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So the number is 3 lakh
78,954.
So this is the next number. Similarly, if we have to read this number, then how we will read? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 4 lakh 89,532. So how we will read? Write down this number in words form. So 4 lakh
89,532.
This is the next number. Now if we have to write the 6-digit largest number, then all the 6 digit will be 99. So how we will read out this number? 6-digit largest number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 9,99,999. So this is the 6-digit largest number.
9,99,999.
So these were the 6-digit number and their reading. Next, counting in lakhs. Next topic is counting in lakhs. So if we have to write 1 lakh, then how we will write? 1 5 times 0. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So this is 1 lakh. So to write 1 lakh, put 50 after 1. Similarly, if we have to write 2 lakh, then 2, put 50 after 2. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So at the place of lakh, the digit is 2, therefore it is 2 lakh. Then if you have to write 3 lakh, then 3 and put 50 after 3. So this is 3 lakh. Similarly, you have to write 4 lakh, then put 50 after 4. So this is 4 lakh. Then if you have to write 5 lakh, then put 50 after 5. So this is 5 lakh. So in this way we can count the lakhs: 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh and 5 lakh. So a digit which is in lakhs having total number of digits are 6, and the 1 lakh is 6 digits smallest number, and 9,99,999 is the 6 digit largest number. Now if we have to form a 6 digit number, then how we will form the 6 digit number? So next, formation of a 6 digit number. So first we will write the smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh. This is the smallest 6 digit number. Now to write the second number, if we add 1 to 1 lakh, then it will be equals to 1 lakh 1. If we add 1 more, then it will be 1 lakh 2. If we add 1 more, then 1 lakh 3. Again if we add 1, then it will be 1 lakh 4. So in this way we can form the 6 digit number. For example, if we have given one number 3,45,657, and if we have to find the next number to this, then just we will add 1. So we will get 7 plus 1 8, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3. So it will be the number ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So 3,45,658. So in this way we can form any number which containing 6 digit, and a number which is containing 6 digit, it will be in lakhs. Now if a number having 6 digit is given, and if we have to represent the given number on abacus, then how we will represent? So let us suppose a number is given 6,35,754, and this is the number having 6 digit. So if we have to represent this number on abacus, then how we will represent? So to form as abacus, this is ones, this is tens, this one is 100, this one is 1000, this one is 10,000, then this one is the lakh. So the digit at ones is 4, the digit at tens is 5, the digit at 100 is 7, the digit at 1000 is 5, and the digit at 10,000 is 3 and the digit at lakh is 6. So in standard form, after 100 we will put first comma, and then after 10,000 again we will put second comma. So in Indian place value, this given number is in standard form and it is read out as 6,35,754. Now this 6,35,754, if we have to represent on abacus, then what we will do? In first strip, the digit at ones is 4, so we will make 4 beads in first strip, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the digit at tens place is 5, so make 5 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, the digit at 100 place is 7, so make 7 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Similarly, the digit at 1000 is 5, so make 5 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the digit at 10,000 is 3, so make 3 beads, 1, 2, 3. And the digit at lakh is 6, so make 6 beads, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in this way, a number which having 6 digit will be in lakhs and it can be represented on abacus in this way. So this is the representation of a number on abacus. So representation of a 6 number digit, 6 number representation of a number having 6 digit on abacus. So in this way you can represent. Now we will do the exercise on the basis of reading and writing of 6 digit number, counting the lakhs, formation of numbers in lakhs and representation of a 6 digit number on abacus. So the self practice exercise 1C, page number 14. Question number first. Write the number shown on the abacus both in figure and words. So first question A is given represented on abacus. So the number of beads at ones place is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At ones is 8. At tens are 2. At hundreds place is 7. The number of beads at 1000 place are 3. Number of beads at 10,000 place are 6. And the number of beads at the place lakh is 3. So it will be read out as 3,63,728. So in standard form, 3,63,728, and in words 3,63,728. Now similarly, B part of question number first, again observe the abacus and write the digit at ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. So number of beads at ones place are 3. Number of beads at tens place are 2, 4, 6 and 7. At the tens place are 7. Number of beats at the 100 place are 0. Number of beats at 1000 place are 3. And the number of beats at 10,000 places are again 0. And the number of beats at lakes are 4. So in standard notation, first put comma after 3 digit and then 2 digit. So this one is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lake. So in words 4 lakh, 3,000, 3,073. So this is question B of question number first. Now question next, read the carefully. Represent the largest 6-digit number on the abacus shown here. Also write its number name. So what we have to do in question number second, we have to represent the largest 6-digit number on abacus and we have to write its number name. So first make one abacus. Question number 2, the abacus 6-digit largest number. So on abacus, let's take 6 strip, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lake. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lake. And we have to write the 6-digit largest number. So it will be 9 lakh, 99,999. So this one is the 6-digit largest number. Now at every digit is 9. So we will make 9 beats at every place, that is at ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lake. So make 9 beats at the place of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So everywhere you have to make 9 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So in this way we can represent a 6-digit largest number on abacus. Now question number 3. So if you have to write this number in words, then 9 lakh 99,999. So this is 6-digit largest number. Now question number 3. Read and write the following numbers in words. The first number is 6,38,023. How we will read out? From right hand side, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, this is 10,000 and this one is lakh. So first comma after first 3 digit and then second comma after next 2 digits. So it will be 6,38,023. 6,38,023. So this one is the first number. Now second is 7,53,291. How we will read out? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So 7 lakh 53,291. 291. So in this way we can write the number and we can read the number. Now question number 4. Write the following in figure by putting commas at proper places. The first number is 3 lakh 79,518. So 518. This was the first. Question number second, 8 lakh 9,009. So this is 8 lakh 9,009. Question number 3, 3 lakh 15,000. 3 lakh 15,005. That is 005. Then question number 4, 4 lakh 400. 4 lakh. So 4 lakh 404. This is 4 lakh 404. Then question number 5, 5 lakh 16. So 5 lakh 16. 5 lakh 16. So 016. This is 5 lakh 16. So this was about the reading and writing of 6 number, counting the lakhs, formation of 6-digit numbers, and exercise 1C. So hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.